Good day, everyone. This video is going to showcase how to take an online test on Blackboard Ultra. You log into your course as usual, and then on the learning modules, you will see if there is assessment learning modules or there is test learning modules. In this case, it is assessment learning module. And then inside the learning module assessments, you find the folder that says tests and exams. That will be where all your tests will be uploaded by your lecturer. And then you click on the test name to start writing the test. It's going to show you the details and information of the test, when is the due date, the time, and out of how many marks, and all that stuff. Then you click on the continue attempt button. After you've clicked on the continue attempt button, it's going to show you the time. It's going to show you all your tests. Remember, there are two types of tests that you write on Blackboard. One is proctored, where we use Onolog as the evaluation, as the invigilator. It's AI proctored. We have AI proctors, and then we have live proctors. So it's UK based. So when Onolog is enabled by the lecturer, you will have access to the webcam, and then you follow the guidelines that are set by the lecturer before you start to write your exam. So all those steps you will be shown when you are writing the project test if you are sent into our labs. This test is not proctored, so it's going to just take you straight to the test without verifying your authentication, without verifying all the rest that is required on Onolog. So as it has been timed, you see the test is 10 minutes. So the timer is counting down. As you see there, we're still remaining 7 minutes. So it will show you one question at a time. It depends on the settings of the lecturer. But this case, this test is one question at a time, but the total number of questions are 5. So what do? We start writing. We click on the answer of the question as per the question. After you've clicked on the answer of the question, you click on continue. You do not submit, because when you click on submit, which means you are submitting your test without answering the rest of the 4 questions. So you answer one question, you select the answer, you read the question, you select the answer, you click on continue so that you move to the next question. So now I'm on question 2. You read the answer, and then you click on the correct answer, and then you scroll down to click on the continue button so that you move to the 3rd question. This is how you answer your test. You read, it's going to tell you where you are, which question you are, how many minutes you left, how many marks in that particular question. After you've selected the right answer, you click on the continue button. Now I'm on the last question, which is 4 or 5, and then you choose the right answer, and then you click on the next button. So it's saying now page 5, which is the last question, which is 5. You read the answer, and then you select the correct answer. And then now when you are here, you can click on the submit button. But you can move. You see, you've got previous, you've got first, you've got next, you've got last, which means it allows you to go back and view the other questions if you have answered them correctly. You see, I still have 5 minutes, so I can go back and view if I answered all my previous questions correctly to be sure of the answers that I have selected. After I am sure of all that I have answered, I click now on the button that says submit. The system will ask me if I want to submit. Am I sure if I want to submit? Then I'm 100% sure that those are the answers that I want or that are correct according to my knowledge. And then I click on the submit button. The minute you click on the submit button, the submission feedback will be appearing. You can download it, and you will also receive this submission in your email. And then you can close the submission. Now, after you have done your answers or you have done submitting your test, then the response will show under your grades there. So this will show, it depends. If the lecturers have set the settings to show your marks immediately after you submitted, then you will immediately see your marks there during after you have done submitting. So this varies. So if the lecturer decided that I will show the marks after everybody has submitted, then you won't see your mark immediately after all the students have submitted the mark, which means after that 10 minutes has elapsed, then the marks will be released because everybody would have done. If one tends to exceed the time, as the test time was 10 minutes, so if I exceed to say now I'm proceeding to 11 minutes and all that stuff, the system after the set time is going to cut you off and submit the test that you have already filled in. So make sure that you are within your given allocated time or your allocated time when you are writing your test. So when you click on your mark, it will take you to the grade center. You will be able now to view your attempt to see what have you answered in your questions. So this is now the preview of your test. So it's going to show you what you have selected, and then it's also going to show you what was the correct answer. So if you made a mistake or you picked an incorrect answer, then the system is going to show you the feedback of what the correct answer was. Also, this, it depends on the lecturer's instructions. So if the lecturer has shown that the feedback must show the correct answer after you have done, then you will be able to see what was the correct answer in that particular question. That is how, colleagues, you take your online test on Blackboard Ultra system. I thank you.